Hi, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do on-page SEO using ChatGPT, custom GPT, what we have created. For that, first you have to go to your Shopify admin panel, click on products, and you can select the product for which you are going to add the on-page SEO. Okay, so this is the product what I have selected, and the second thing is that you have to go to the custom GPT link which I have added in the description. Just click on this link and you have to log into your ChatGPT account for using this custom GPT. Okay, so first, once you reach this page, you can just click on get started, and it will ask you to enter the product name and the product description. Okay, just go to your Shopify and copy the product name and enter it here, and after that enter the product and go to the Shopify and select the product description and enter it here. Okay, and after that just click on submit. So now ChatGPT will provide you the on-page SEO factor what you need to update in your Shopify store. Okay, for that you have to go to Shopify products page and scroll down, and you will be able to see the search engine listed. Just click on edit and you can add the title. Okay, so go back to ChatGPT and just copy the meta title. Okay, and paste it here, and after that copy the meta description and paste it here. Okay, and after that you have to add the URL handle. Okay, for that you can go to URL handle and copy the URL handle from here and paste it here. Okay, and after that you will be able to see the image alt tags. So image alt tags are very important for SEO, so you can just copy each of the tags and add them to the products page. So just click on the image and you will be able to see the alt text here. Just paste it here, and after that just click on save. You can go to next and just copy the second one and paste it here, and just click on save and do it for the remaining product photos. So it provides you 6 image alt tags which you can add for each of your product images. So once you're done with all the image alt tags, you can just click on save and exit the image option and just click on save. Now we have successfully added the on-page SEO factors for your Shopify products. By adding the on-page SEO factors, you'll be able to improve your SEO visibility and increase your SEO ranking. Thanks for watching.